welcome back. We once again had a good amount of sunshine as we made our way through the day today, and temperatures well above average for this time of year. In fact, we could have broken a record today. We are currently tied for a record high of 96. Final numbers will be in by 10 o'clock, so we'll let you know if we actually did break that record. Otherwise, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies across the region and a current temperature of 93 degrees. Winds have flipped around to a north-northeasterly direction. That's important because it means that cold front has made its way through, and now we're in that cooler air mass. So we will start to cool down. The good news about that is we have clear skies, so all the rain is going to be on the back side of the system, the cool side of the system. So unlike Friday, we are going to get out of this with, it looks like, no severe weather. Could have a thunderstorm, but it looks like we are pretty good. Just going to have some rain, some much needed rain on the back side of the system. So this warm air definitely is going to make its way out. Still into the mid-90s, Ogallala, Imperial, lower 90s, North Platte and Lexington, near 90 at Broken Bow, and mid-80s at Thedford and Valentine. There's your northerly wind right now, though. So these temperatures aren't going to last much longer, 10 to 15 miles per hour, and they should increase as we go through the next couple of days. So we got that one band of clouds into our eastern counties. This system tried to produce some shower activity. It's just way too dry for that. Another band of clouds getting into our western counties, so that's why we're keeping the mostly clear to partly cloudy skies across the region. High pressure to our south. This is a strong one, giving us that strong southerly flow. That's working its way out, big warm sector here, but that cold front has made its way through. Now we got that northerly flow, this much cooler high pressure system in charge of our forecast off to our north, but this low is our next weather maker that will give us the much needed rain. And the clouds and the precipitation will definitely cool us off over the next couple of days. So temperatures falling quickly through the 80s and back into the 70s this evening. As we have an increase in the clouds, we'll turn partly to mostly cloudy. Now, most of the rain will start after daybreak tomorrow. We start off into the upper 50s. Rain could be steady at times as we make our way through the day tomorrow, especially from, say, Thedford points off to the south, definitely where they need the rain. And we will keep at least a chance of some scattered showers all the way through Thursday. Looks like into the evening now, not only into the afternoon but into the evening, so the more rain the better. But high temperatures on Thursday only getting into the mid-50s for highs before it starts to clear out by Thursday night. Now here's what it looks like on the wide maps. Gone is the extremely warm air, once again getting into the mid-90s on September 20th. That is record highs, it looks like. So this low pressure system and this northerly wind will really start to cool us off, finally getting that chance of some rain. Hopefully we can put a dent in that drought, but this rain is going to be short-lived because right behind it, another high pressure system. Not as warm air behind it, but it will get us back into a dry and sunny weather pattern. So here's a look at the forecast for tonight. Increasing clouds and breezy, but the rain should stay away. Lows in the mid to upper 50s. For tomorrow, cloudy and windy with rain likely. The northerly wind keeping highs down to near 60, and we're only going to be into the low to mid, say mid 50s, maybe some upper 50s out there Thursday, cloudy and breezy with some showers likely. Now, after that, we are back to mostly sunny skies, breezy southerly winds on Friday, so we're up to 78, 79 on Saturday, lots of sunshine, down to 74 on Sunday, and then back up there to above average levels, 77 on Monday, with sunny to mostly sunny skies on Tuesday, and a high of 81 degrees. Melanie?
Well, very pleasant and feeling a little bit more like fall.
You know, I really definitely want fall right now after all those 90s, so those 50s and 60s going to look pretty good.
It's going to feel very cool for sure. Thank you so much, Justin. And it's a time of year again, even though we are experiencing the record heat across the area, farmers in Vermont are showing off some extreme gardening skills. As the Vermont Giant Pumpkin Growers Association held their annual weigh-off over the weekend, this year saw a few new state records and some very impressive gourds from the growers. The winner of this year's contest was a New Hampshire man who had a gourd weighing 2,359.5 pounds.